Hello students, this is Poonam teacher back with a new video of Science 2. In my last video, I have taught you aerobic and anaerobic respiration and how the energy forms into the form of ATP. In this video, we shall deal with various kinds of nutrients which are essential for our body and their working. In my last video, I have taught you about carbohydrate as it gives at 1 gram of carbohydrate give 4 kilocalorie of energy. In the same way, proteins is the another class of nutrients, and it also gives 4 kilocalorie of energy per gram. And we all know that proteins are broken down into amino acids after digestion, and there are various amino acids which are useful for our body, and these are present into our body. Have a look at this flow chart. See, the skin consists of melanin and keratin, which is an amino acid. So melanin is a pigment, and depending upon the proportion of melanin, the complexion of our skin is decided. If more proportion of melanin is there, the darker complexion is going to be. If less proportion of melanin will be there, then it is going to be a fair complexion. But there should be proper amount of melanin present into our skin. Otherwise, if there is very low proportion, very low proportion of melanin, it may result into albinism or leukoderma. Then keratin is another amino acid which is useful for our hairs also. It is present into our nails and so on. And the next one is auxin. It is found into the bones. Auxin is also present into the gelatin which is prepared from the bones. Whenever the bones are dissolved into any digestible substance or into any soluble substance, that gelatin will be formed and it will consist of auxin. Then other cells may also contain amino acids into various various proteins of cell membrane, and various enzymes may contain amino acids. Then pancreas also produces amino acids like insulin and trypsin. We all know that insulin is very much essential for controlling our glucose level into our blood, and if it is not present into proper amount, a person may suffer from diabetes. Then pituitary gland, it secretes various hormones, and those hormones are rich in amino acids. Then muscles, actin and myosin flexible proteins, these are also the amino acids. Then in our blood, hemoglobin is present. Hemoglobin imparts red color to our blood and also increases the oxygen carrying capacity of our blood. So this is how amino acids play an important role into our body, and these amino acids are derived from the proteins. So this is how proteins also plays a very important role into our day-to-day life. And during our fasting hours, even proteins can be used for the production of energy by the process of gluconeogenesis, and this gluconeogenesis process takes place into our kidneys and the liver. One more thing is given here, that the enzyme ribosco, it is present into the plant chloroplast, and it is the most abundant protein found into the nature.